Hello, beautiful souls, and welcome back to Plant a Seed with me. Every Saturday, we take everything we've learned throughout the week and bring it together into one conversation. This week, we've been talking about honoring the season we're in, recognizing that we're already building the life we've been praying for, and learning to stop measuring ourselves by everything we didn't accomplish. Today, I want to challenge something we've all been taught to chase: balance. Somewhere along the way, we started believing that a successful life should look balanced, always. Work, family, friends, health, business, relationships, exercise, rest. Everything receiving equal attention, every single day. But life doesn't work that way. Real life comes in seasons. Sometimes your career needs more. Sometimes your children need more. Sometimes your marriage needs more. Sometimes your own body says, I need you to slow down. When we expect every part of our life to receive the exact same amount of attention, we create guilt every single day. This week reminded me that I didn't check every box on my planner. I didn't record every piece of content I wanted. My workouts weren't as consistent as I planned. My businesses had less of me because my career needed more. But here's what I've also been reflecting on. Not long ago, I dreamed about having meaningful work, leading people, serving my community, growing my businesses, creating content that encourages others. Today, those things are already happening. Maybe not perfectly, maybe not every day, but they're happening. That's what this week's reflection reminded me. Arrival isn't one giant step. It's recognizing the life you're building is already unfolding. So maybe balance isn't the goal. Maybe intentionality is. Instead of asking, did everything receive enough attention? Ask, what needed me most today? Those are two completely different questions. One creates guilt, the other creates wisdom. Sometimes balance looks like resting. Sometimes it looks like working late. Sometimes it looks like canceling plans. Sometimes it looks like saying yes to opportunities. Intentional priorities change. Your value doesn't. And I think that's exactly where this month's journey has been leading us. July taught us how to honor our season, the one we're living in. August is about learning how to live intentionally inside that season. Instead of chasing perfect routines, we'll focus on making intentional choices. Instead of asking, how do I balance everything? We'll begin asking, what matters most right now? Because the answer will change, and that's okay. Here's something worth remembering. Trees don't bloom all year. Fields aren't harvested every season. Even nature understands timing. So why do we expect ourselves to be everything for everyone, all at once? Maybe growth isn't about balancing everything. Maybe growth is learning to recognize what deserves your attention today. As we step into August, I hope you give yourself permission to stop chasing perfection. You don't have to do everything every day to build a meaningful life. Sometimes the most intentional thing you can do is recognize what the season is asking of you and respond with grace instead of guilt. Life isn't asking you to balance everything. It's asking you to be present with what matters most. Keep planting those seeds of intention. One choice, one season, one day at a time. I'll see you next week.